If you've got Liftmaster doors and they use these types of buttons here to control them from in the garage, and you want to program one of these universal remotes, it's a little bit confusing. I'll try to explain how I did it. On the back of these remotes, there's a little button there. It's a little hard to see, but you can push on it with the visor clip. It just fits right in there and you can push on it. You got 3 buttons on here. You're going to decide which button you're going to program, and that'll be the one you're going to be pressing initially. And then you need to also decide what color programming button does my opener have. A newer one typically has a yellow button, but some of the other ones have a purple. If I look on the instructions here, purple learn buttons, also red and orange, and also green. Based on that color, you're going to press a sequence of clicks. For yellow, it's just 1 click. For purple, it's twice. For red and orange, 3. And for green, it's going to be 4 times. So most of the new ones have this security plus, and that's the yellow button. So we're going to have to click it 1 time to indicate that we have a yellow button. Now here's the sequence of events that you're going to use. First thing you're going to do, in this case, I'm going to program to this door here. Underneath here, you see a learn button there. You're going to need that here in a second. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tell the remote which color button that I'm operating with. And in this case here, I'm going to press that button in the back. I get the solid red light. I'm going to program this button here. I'm going to click it 1 time. That tells it we're operating on a yellow button. Then I'm going to press either of the other buttons, and now that light goes out. And now we're in the yellow button style mode for this remote. Now I want this remote to talk to this opener. So I'm going to press the learn button for this opener. With these remote keypads, you got to press it twice. If I press it once, you'll see it flicker, a little bit of red. I press it twice, and now the red is steady on. If you can see that reflecting there. Now that that's steady on, you have 30 seconds to press and hold the button you want to program. I'm going to press this middle one here, and I'm going to listen for a slight click. I heard that click at the remote, at the opener itself, and I press the button 1 more time, and now that door starts to open. So it's pretty faint, but you'll hear a little click after about 5 seconds, maybe 10 seconds. And now this button is programmed and ready to go. And now this learn button here will go off after about 30 seconds. So that's how it works. These are a little bit confusing from the instructions, but if you think about it, when you first push this here, and then you choose which button you're going to open, and you click it the number of times that correspond to the color, you're just telling the remote to operate in that color mode. And now it will do that. And then when the remote knows what color it's working against, you just press the learn button and push the button that you want to program, and it's ready to go. All right. So, hey, I hope that helps. Have a great day.